Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are the unprecedented revolutionaries, radically transforming the financial and technological landscape. They are the catalysts of a digital evolution, challenging traditional systems and opening a world of possibilities. In the beginning, there was Bitcoin. This pioneering cryptocurrency introduced the world to a decentralized digital currency, free from the control of any central authority. It leveraged the power of blockchain technology, a decentralized distributed ledger system that ensures transparent and immutable transactions. Bitcoin's inception marked the dawn of a new era, one that redefines the way we perceive and handle money. Next came Ethereum, extending the boundaries of what blockchain could achieve. It wasn't just about transactions anymore. Ethereum gave birth to the concept of decentralized applications, or dApps, and smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code lines. But the crypto universe didn't stop expanding there. A multitude of altcoins sprung into existence, each with its unique characteristics and objectives. Ripple, for instance, aims to expedite cross-border payments, while Litecoin prides itself on faster transaction confirmations. B-roll change Binance Coin, on the other hand, serves as the lifeblood of the Binance ecosystem. Cryptocurrencies have since evolved beyond being a mere digital cash system. They've morphed into investment assets, attracting attention for their potential high returns. However, the volatility of the market demands prudent investment strategies. Meanwhile, blockchain's influence has permeated various industries. Its potential in supply chain management, healthcare, and more is being explored. The technology's decentralized nature enhances security and minimizes the risk of fraud. Even governments and central banks are not immune to the allure of blockchain. The idea of central bank digital currencies is becoming more than a concept, as nations realize the benefits of blockchain in streamlining financial processes. And as the world of cryptocurrencies continues to evolve, so too do regulatory frameworks. The goal is to ensure consumer protection and financial stability without stifling innovation. Achieving the right balance is a challenge that remains at the forefront of this revolution. So there you have it. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are more than just buzzwords. They are the harbingers of a new financial era, and their potential to reshape traditional systems is undeniable. They stand at the center of global economic discussions, and their journey, from the inception of Bitcoin to their current state, is a testament to their revolutionary impact.